You know, I've never had the himmat to ask anyone before, but I asked her, what do you think he would have thought of the show? And she said, coming. Okay. Thank you. It's lovely to be here. My heart is racing. My shoulders are getting a bit. Whew. I'm obsessed with signs. Not science, S-I-G-N-S. Signs. I'm not superstitious. हाँ? मतलब वो क्या कहते हैं कि खुली गैस पे लाल मिर्च जलाओ तो अगर धुआं और खांसी उठे तो आप पर नजर नहीं है नहीं अगर जले तो I don't care. I don't buy it. I'm not interested. The signs I'm talking about are the ones that the universe has designed, tailor-made, customized just for me. And just when needed. Yeah? They're like a cuddle or a hug, you know? It's like a private conversation with the universe, the flow, the it, whatever you want to call it. Yeah? And they pop up when I'm stressed about something, when my shoulders are feeling tight, when my heart is pounding, the nape of my neck is stiffening, my brain is fogging, and this feeling of being squished. Well, it started about 10 years ago. I had just come back from Italy. I'd gone to study theatre for 3 years. And then when I came back, I felt this need to catch up with the city. क्या हो रहा है बॉम्बे में? क्या हो रहा है? चलो, कुछ करते हैं. Yeah. So, I fixed a meeting with Vikram Fukan. He's a brilliant theatre creator. And he was telling me about how he was working on a drag queen piece. And then, in the middle of that conversation, he stopped. He looked at me, and I'll never forget that moment, you know, because I could see in front of my eyes the germ of an idea landing inside his head and blooming. Like those time-lapse videos, na phool aise khulta hai, slow motion mein. He looked at me and he said, Your eyes look like Shammi Kapoor's. We can make a drag king show and your drag king persona can be inspired by Shammi Kapoor. What? Shammi, eyes, I don't know. Well, I went home that evening and I said, ठीक है यार, it's not like बचपन में 10 साल की पूजा was standing in front of the mirror and saying, मुझे बड़े होके शम्मी कपूर बनना है. But कोई बात नहीं, चलो, एक वीडियो देखते हैं. So YouTube में डाला, शम्मी कपूर सुपर हिट सॉन्ग्स. आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, अच्छा सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई. तो क्या? I was hooked. I had to hear another one. Yeah? What was the other one that ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें क्या, तारीफ करूं उसकी. Oof, what energy! And there was something about the moves. And what's that other song? Yahoo! Yahoo! चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे, कहने दो जी कहता रहे, हम प्यार के तूफानों. Exactly. What electricity, right? What jaan. Honestly, I had forgotten how amazing he was. I had forgotten. He was unique. And you know what made him special? I think he somehow had tapped into this cosmic flow and gave into it. I could feel a jhund of butterflies inside me. And I could feel it. I was like, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity where I get to play a character that is shiny, shimmery, full of jaan, and maybe, just maybe, I'll get a taste of what he had tapped into. I was ready to do it. I was hungry to do it. Yes, let's do it. Drag King show, Shammi. Yes, let's do it. Do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It was bloody hard. Because we didn't have a spiral bound script ready for us, na. The play is set in a drag king club in Mumbai, but who are these characters? What's the story? What is this dunya? You know, my body was sore trying to do all those Shammi moves. They're not easy. Trust me, guys, they're not. And we had so little time to figure out so much. Set, properties, costume, story. Show day was approaching and we didn't have a show. We had a name though, the Gentlemen's Club. It was the day before our last rehearsal. I remember I was in a shared cab and I was on my way to meet my team and I could feel that feeling, my shoulders tightening, the nape of my neck stiffening, my heart pounding, my brain fogging, that feeling of being squished, and this barat of thoughts in my head. We don't have a show. This is a big mistake. You know, the audience is going to hate it. They're going to walk out of the show. What show? Show hai nahi? Kya kya? You know, big mistake. Big. And then suddenly, on the radio, I hear, भैया जरा वॉल्यूम बढ़ाना ना किधर जा रही हो जरा पास आओ तू चैन आ जाए जरा पास आओ तू चैन आ जाए. And suddenly my shoulders relaxed, I could breathe, the heart rate came down, the fog cleared, I was smiling and I knew I'll be fine, we'll be fine, we'll be more than fine. That day, that song in that cab was my first sign from Shammi. And so, it began, this private little game between me and Shammi, where before a show, I would look out for a sign. You know, sort of like a go-ahead signal, Ashirwad. Yeah? And the signs were there. I just had to be ready to get them. Another time, we had a show at Prithvi. I was at my friend Sheena Khalid's place, my collaborator in the show. And we were packing. We had a setup. We had a night setup. Okay, chandelier here. Have you got the bulbs? What about the S hooks? The 2 S hooks. Yes, we need those. Okay, okay, everything ready? Yeah, I'm booking the cab. Oh my God, did I give the call time to the actors? And the istri wala? That istri wala at Prithvi is very mehenga. You know, we have to find somebody else. Accounts, we have to do accounts. And suddenly I look at my taxi app and it shows my current location as Shammi Nagar. I don't know any Shammi Nagar. There's no Shammi Nagar. And I'm definitely not in Shammi Nagar. I'm in Bandra. I'm in a friend's house and I have booked a cab from this spot a gazillion times. Uber, behave. Anyway, cab aayi. Sab saman dala, chandelier dala, hum sab ghuse. We were on our way. And then just out of curiosity, I searched for Shammi Nagar in Google Maps. Dosto, there is a Shammi Nagar in Dharavi. Yeah. But nowhere close to where I was booking the cab from. Another sign. And many more followed. Show in Delhi, we walk into a restaurant before the show, and as part of the decor, they have these TVs on the walls, and Shammi songs are playing on loop. Lucknow ka show. Hamare chandelier ka fuse ud gaya hai, electrician ko bulaya. He gets there, opens a newspaper, apna saman rakhne ke liye, and whose photo is there? Show in UK, Soho Theatre, visa. Yeah, visa ke liye you need 3 months bank statements, IT returns, letter of invitation, accommodation, blah, blah, travel insurance. And my travel insurance is digitally signed by Shammi Kapoor. I'm not making this up. And over the last 10 years, I've been very fortunate because I've met so many people who knew Shammi personally or had some connection with him. Like a friend of mine, I've known them for 15 years. They came for the show and afterwards they sent me a message saying their father was the choreographer for Shammi. I had no clue. I've met actors who've worked with him. I've met journalists who've interviewed him. I've met members of the extended family. Lovely Nasir and Ratna, the Shahs, after watching the show, gifted me a photograph of Shammi Kapoor from Nasir Hussain's private collection. And every time I have these encounters. I feel like I'm meeting Shammi little by little. It's like I'm piecing him together like a jigsaw puzzle. Our last show in September, Mumbai, 2024. We get a call from Nasir, and he says, block 3 tickets for Mrs. Shammi Kapoor. I was very nervous. I was very nervous. I was scared. I thought, what if she doesn't like the show? Or worse, what if she got offended? Arey, Drag King show hai, pata nahi kya. What if she doesn't come? Actually, I was hoping she doesn't come. Anyway, show day, 8:30 p.m. is the show. Time to get ready. Theek hai, chalo, chalo. Get the Shammi eyebrows, the rosy cheeks. Practice my steps. Okay, I got it. But I haven't got a sign from Shammi yet. Koi baat nahi, I'm not superstitious, na. It's okay, it's fine. I'm getting ready. Oh, okay. I can hear the audience enter the theater. Boo, boo, boo. Ladies and gentlemen, the performance will begin in 3 minutes. 3 minutes? The wig, the glue has to dry before I go on. It has to. Oh, wow. Aaj it's fitting perfectly. Okay, binding done. I get my shirt on. I get my golden shimmery Shammi jacket, and I'm in the wings. Still no sign. I'm waiting. I've eaten 5 or 6 of those chutney sandwiches. I'm fluttering about like a butterfly. I cannot be still. Still no sign. It's okay. I'm not superstitious. It's fine. I'm here. I'm in the... It's okay. Just breathe. And I can feel it. The shoulders, the neck, my heart, my brain, that feeling of being squished. The house music goes down. There's a blackout. That's my sign. I mean, that's not my sign. It's my sign. It's my cue to get on stage. I put on my gold shimmery jacket. I get on stage. My back is facing the audience. I can feel the light on my head, my neck, my back. I'm there. Still no sign. And then the music wells up. It fills up the room. I turn to face the spotlight. And there she is. Second row, down center, Neela Devi, Mrs. Shammi Kapoor. She actually came. And she was sitting there in a beautiful blue chiffon sari with a pallu around her head. And something in that moment, I saw her and my shoulders relaxed, my breathing got calmer, the fog cleared, and I smiled. After the show, the curtain call, we're all standing there. She's looking at me. She stood up. We're both teary-eyed. We're blowing kisses at each other. We're doing a namaste. And then I run off stage. I yank the wig off. Ouch. I have to meet her. I have to. Choice hi nahi hai. And I run into the theater. I'm looking for her. I can't see her. There's so many people walking out. Oh my God, she left. Sheena yelled out because Neela Devi was waiting for me inside the theater. I ran back. सीधा जाके मैंने उनके पैर छुए because I said, ये आशीर्वाद तो चाहिए. She hugged me. She was so generous with her compliments. She loved the show. She did. And she said, your moves and expressions were just like him, especially this one. Of course, we got photographs with Neela Devi. Of course we did. And then it was time to say goodbye. We said our goodbyes. She was leaving. And then I said, it's now or never. You know, I've never had the himmat to ask anyone before. But I asked her, Neela ji, what do you think he would have thought of the show? And she said, he would have loved it. So that evening, I got home, evening kya night, and I said, boss, ab science ki koi zarurat nahi. Ab 100 saal tak, I don't need any more science. It's done. Ho gaya yaar. Done. Cut to yesterday, when I had to come here to do a sound check. And again, I'm thinking this barat of thoughts in my head. Oh my God, I've picked the wrong story. Pagal hai, spoken fest mein kisko pata hoga Shammi kaun hai? Oh, ye sab young log hain, inhe nahi malum. And you know, the story should be like more as a, emotional. Big mistake, big mistake. And I can feel it. Again, the shoulders, the neck, the heart, the brain, that feeling of being squished. I get into my cab. हाँ भैया, OTP is 0596. And then I smile because his name is Shamsher, which is Shammi's real name. Shammi drove me here. I guess I'd stopped looking out for signs, but the signs hadn't stopped looking out for me. Thank you, Shammi. Thank you so much.